Welcome back. Today we'll understand what is shell. Shell takes commands and passes them to the operating system. It is an interface between you and the OS. When I say CLI, command line, it all refers to the shell. A popular shell program is Bash. Bash is an acronym for Born Again Shell. You see, Bash is an enhanced version of sh, and sh is the original shell program written by Stephen Bourne. What you see at the bottom right is a shell prompt. Typically, you would see username @hostname followed by the current working directory. At the end, you see a dollar sign. If you see a hash instead of a dollar sign, it implies you are logged in as a super user, often root. You can check the hostname of your machine by typing hostname. In the example on my screen, the user with which I have logged in is EC2 user, and the hostname of the instance is IP-172-31-36-89. I am working with an Amazon EC2 instance, and that is the format in which AWS assigns host names when an instance is launched. There is another format called resource name that AWS uses to assign host names, but that is outside of what we are discussing right now. Let's come back to the topic in hand. The tilde you see at the end, that is after 89, signifies I am in the home directory of the EC2 user. That is the user via which I have logged in. More on what is home directory later. To get a little more comfortable with the command line, let's see a few simple commands. Hostname command we have already seen. Another way to see the hostname of an instance is hostnamectl. This command will give you a lot more information than the hostname command. You can type clear to get back the real estate. The next command I want to discuss is free. Free gives us the memory statistics, total, used, and free memory. I see a problem in the output though. It is difficult to read as the output is in bytes. Let's add -h to it to make it human readable. Voila, I can see things more clearly now. You can use cal to display the calendar. If you type date, you see the date and time. DF stands for disk free. It tells you the amount of free disk space. Don't get overwhelmed by the info you see on your screen. You will understand most of it as we progress with the course. Add -h to the input and it will give you results in human readable format. A cool feature of the shell is command history. Most distros will remember last 1000 commands by default. You can type history to see the previously executed commands. You can navigate through the command history using the up and down arrow and press enter to execute the displayed command. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.